Hello. Have you ever bought one of these at the store to make a cheesecake and it looks like somebody ran it over with a forklift? I had one that looked like it was in good condition until somebody at the store placed something really heavy on it and pretty much demolished the graham cracker crust that I was going to do this recipe with. So I'm gonna do an experiment. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. It's the first thing I look at when I wake up in the morning after I open my eyes. And speaking of eyes, I am listening to a few of you who have asked me not to wear my glasses, which means I can't see, but this can go in the trash. What was in it is now in a Ziploc bag. I finished crushing it. This is 2 pie pans. I'm going to show you that in a moment. This also goes with that. Ingredients: 4 packages of cream cheese, which equals 2 pounds, 32 ounces, or 4 packages. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 4 eggs, which 3 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of white sugar. I'm going to spray this placing this on top and pressing. One cup of white sugar, tablespoon of cornstarch, half a cup of sour cream, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, take a sheet pan, place it in the oven, add water, the steam will help the cheesecake gel better. Setting the timer for 50 minutes. Because I have some extra, I'm going to experiment with these without a crust. Maybe it'll be just one. There, extra stability. There's the second one as an experiment. I may not be posting videos for cooking, except camping type cooking videos for the next week or so, because I'm about to embark on a travel adventure. First one of the year. I try to do one every month. And yeah. I checked the internal temperature, which showed me 150 degrees. It passed the wobble test, which means it kind of jiggled a little bit in the center. With the heat off, it's just going to sit in there for about 45 minutes.